Hello guys. So in my previous session, we have seen get by placeholder, right? So there are some locators. So we are doing so directive locators accessing playwright. Okay. So we are accessing directly the locators in the playwright instead of using export or CSS. See these methods we are using. So these are direct methods available in the playwright. We are utilizing these methods. Okay. Now, however, the script is same, right? So I'm using the same page, same elements, right? So now I'm copying and pasting same test here. Copy and paste. This is our second test. I'm creating all tests inside this only. Okay. Get by placeholder, no? Okay. Instead of this one, I'll create one more test. In second. So we'll create separate files. That is good. Okay. So comment it. Here I'm creating one more file called. So I'm doing get by role. Get by role now. So we are working on get by role locator, direct locator. So I'm copying and pasting. See, however, uh, so multiple times we worked on the same script, right? So I'm copying and pasting same script. We are utilizing the time. Okay, now I'm going with get by role. This get by role. Okay. So direct locators access in playwright get by role. Just I'm renaming the file name. So everything is same till here. See, normally we use the get by placeholder. So get by place we can use we used here for the input box. Okay, but even if the button contains get by placeholder, you can utilize the same thing for button also. But here get by role, right? I'm using get by role. Await page dot get by role. Go here and what kind of role it is? What kind of role you need to provide? Okay, go here. So I can use for the button. See, this is the button, right? What is the button name? Login, right? You need to provide the button name login. Okay. Now copy this button is the role. What is the role of the button? So button and what is the button name you need to provide here? Name. What is the name? Is there login, right? A login. Just use dot click. Okay. Login. So get by role means we are going on the role. It is a button or it is an input box. It is a link based on that. So based on the role, we are working. We are creating the script here. Now here I have used the placeholder and for button I am going with the get by role option. So we will click here and we will see how it is going to work. Okay. Here change the file name get by placeholder, right? Get by role. Get by role. Okay. See on test case got passed. It clicked actually. It clicked. We will see here. After clicking, it should navigate to the login page, right? I'm rerunning it. See, it clicked. Okay, invalid credentials it is telling, right? Okay, admin 123 we need to give. Admin 123. But it clicked, right? It clicked and it is giving the error invalid credentials. See, it logged in, right? That means get by rule is worked for the button and the name of the button is login. So why we are providing the name of the button login means suppose in this page, if there are other, see, if I am going with a button role, right? If I give only the role without providing the name, if this page contains multiple buttons, no, then the script will think there are multiple buttons where I need to click. That's why we are making it as unique by adding name here. So name is mandatory. You need to provide button, which button we need to click. Okay, like that. I think you understood, guys. Even here, so get by role, right? It logged in, right? After logging in, okay, we can add one more thing. Admin 123, right?